Back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video today I want to show you something, an arbitrage that you can use to make more money. So this arbitrage will be done on Bybit exchange. So we are doing it through the Bybit P2P. So let's do, if you don't have Bybit account, just check the description of this video. You will see the registration link to register on Bybit. So when you register on Bybit and you make your first deposit of $100 within I think within 24 hours, Bybit is going to give you a bonus of 1,400 USDT for free. They are going to give it to you. You can use it to trade and you can get the profit of whatever things you earn through it. So let's now go to our video. So click here. If you don't have see the P2P here, click up here, then click on P2P trading. Make sure when you register on Bybit you do your KYC verification. So now when you click on P2P trading, we want to do P2P trading between USDT and USDC. Let me write it for you. USDT versus USDC. USDC. Both are stable coin. So now let's dive into it. As we can see here, these are the traders, these are the people that place ADs that they want to sell, they want to buy USDT, they want to sell USDT. So you can buy from them here on Bybit P2P trading. You can click on buy to buy from them. For example, let's say you want to place your AD. Before I go, let's say you want to place your AD. The first thing to do is to click on the top up here. You click on the top up here, then it's going to show you this. Click on my ADs, then you click on it. So when you click on my ADs, for example, let's say you want to post an AD, you click on post. Let's say you want to post an AD, you can input your nickname, blah 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 blah. Let me do that. So input your nickname and you must do all this following verification. Link your mobile, link your email, do your identification, which is your this thing. Do this one is complete everything. Check now. I can click on check now and check everything. So let me just click on that. So when you are able to complete everything here, it's not hard. Everything is not hard, but you must be a registered member of at least 30 days before you can place ADs on the Bybit P2P. So after you do that, you have to be able to complete. You have to also be a user that have completed a 5 orders on the P2P. So after that, you can now start posting your ADs on Bybit. You can now start posting your AD. For example, let's say you have a coin you want to sell. You are going to place an AD, sell AD. Then it will show to people as buy. So when people come to Bybit P2P and they click on buy, they are going to see the AD you want to sell. But let's say you want to buy coin. Let's say you want to buy coin, you don't want to buy from what they are selling from the P2P. You want to place your own AD. Then you place the AD of buy. When you place an AD of buy, then when user come to Bybit P2P, they are going to see your AD here on sell. That means you want to buy from there. They will sell to you. So that is how that one work. So now let's go to the arbitrage I'm talking about. For example, both USDT and USDT are both stable coin, are both stable coin. They are both stable coin. Their price is based on US dollar. Is pegged with US dollar, it's pegged on US dollar. So right now let's see something. This is I am using this AD in terms of Nigerian currency. So you can change it the currency here to your own currency to try it out. But this is NGN, Nigeria currency. So for example, we actually know that both USDT and USDC price are the same thing. So now, but something happened these few days when dollars go rise against dollar or rise against naira to 1,500, but suddenly come back to 1,300. Now is on 1,400 plus. So now let's see something. But some people on USDC here, they still get place an AD of 1,500, while people on USDT place their AD as 1,400. You can see USDC, this is USDC here, while this is USDT. So what we are talking about now is that if we want to do it, for example, we are going to buy direct from this person, these people here. Let's say we want to buy direct from them. Some people are selling right now. They are selling, people are selling. That's why it's right, ineligible. So for example, let's say as this person here is selling at 1,000 452. Let's say we want to buy from this person, and I want to buy, let me just say I want to buy about 600,000 naira USDT from this person. Remember, USDT and USDC price is the same always almost the same thing. So for example, this person is selling at the rate of 1,452 naira. You can see it here. Just take your calculator and you are going to understand what I'm talking about. So this person is selling at this rate and want to sell about 465 USDT. So for example, let's say I want to buy 600,000 of USD. Let's say I want to buy how many USD? Okay, let's say I want to buy 465 USDC. So 465 USDT is going to give us going to give us is going to give us 675,580 naira. So that is the amount of this USDC is going to give us. USDT 465 USDT is going to give us. We are going to buy it at the rate of 675,180. So after we purchase it from this seller, so the next thing to do is we are going to convert the USDT into USDC. If you want to know how to convert it to it, all you need to do is to just come back to your account, click on asset, then click on convert here. Click on convert, then you can select USDT, USDC. So you convert your USDT to USDC. That is it. So right now, after we do the conversion of our USDT to USDC, that same USDT we buy, that 465 USDT we buy at 675,180. Now let's place our AD on USDC. Let's see how much we're going to make. So we click on USDC. You can see that in USDC they are selling at 1545, 1540, 1549, 1050. So one thing here is that there is not a lot of people that are selling that want to sell too much USDC. So what we are going to do is that we are going to continue. We are going to place own AD our own AD. We are going to place our own AD as sell. So when we place it as sell, it's going to show to buyers here that this buyer will now buy what we are selling. So buyer will now buy what we are selling. If you want to place your AD, just click here, click on my AD, and you place your AD. So for example, this person, the first person here, is selling at 1545. I can decide to put my own so that my own will be at the top. At the top here, I can decide to put my own as 1544. So when I put it like this, my own will be at the top. So the one at the top, that is likely the one people usually go with first. So my AD will be at the top. So anybody that want to buy USDC, anybody that want to buy USDC, they are going to come and click on buy. So when they click on buy, for example, now let's go to our calculator, because if you are going to do it here, it's not going to go because of the amount of USDC this person want to sell. Because of it, as you can see, volume exceeded. So now let's go to our calculator and let's do the calculation to see if we are going to make a profit or not. So here I am in my calculator. So this is what we're going to do. Remember, the ADs on USDC is 1005. The one we want to place is 1544. 1544. That is naira to dollar. 1544. So, and we want to buy. We want to sell about 465 USDC. 465 USDC. That is what we want to say. So let's see, 465 USDC times the amount of let me do it like this so that you can understand. 1544, this is dollar rate, $1 rate to naira, 1044, times the amount of USDC we want to sell. So times 465. So you can see that we are going to make 717,960. So this is what we are going to make on the 600. And remember, we buy the USDT at the rate of 675,180. So now let's now do the calculation very well to see our profit. So now this is the amount we get in USDC. This is the amount we get in USDC. Now minus 675,180. So as you can see, with our 675,180, we make a profit of 42,780. That is the profit we make. And this thing, you can do it more than 2 times in a day, 3 times, 10 times, 20 times in a day. For example, if you are able to do it in 10 times in a day, you are going to get about 427,800 naira just doing arbitrage. just doing this simple crypto arbitrage. So guys, that is it. This is what I have for you today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment on the comment section. Don't forget to comment, and if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button so that anytime I drop another video more or like this, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. So that is it. This is the arbitrage I have for you. You can try it out and it will work. You can try it out and it will work. And it will work. You can try it out and it will work. Or you can, after you purchase the USDT, you can still check some other crypto exchange and see the rate of USDC there to know if you can actually sell it on another crypto exchange. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please if this is your first time here on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribing button and the bell behind it so that anytime I drop another opportunity like this, you'll be the first person to know. You'll be the first person to know. I also share about airdrop here and some other investment platform you can try out. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.